look. Cabby set. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog और आज है ट्यूसडे एंड आई वेंट टू गेट सम बैंगल्स टुडे बट मुझे लगता है कि आज का दिन was just so horrible. I know it looks super aesthetic in the vlogs. Basically आज इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही थी guys. I have no idea what has happened to the weather. It was so hot. It was burning and I don't know. I had some other work as well. But I thought I'll go and get some bangles from this bangle market near Connaught Place. I think it's in Connaught Place. It's really good. Basically, मैंने अपने लिए कभी बैंगल खरीदे ही नहीं. So I was so confused. I was so overwhelmed, overstimulated by all the bangles. But I just got the basic trendy ones. एक दो ले लिए. I will show you the bangles at some point in this vlog. By the time I reached home, I was just so tired. Abhi bhi main uthi hu. I've made myself a cup of tea so that I can make dinner because I have zero energy to make dinner, but I don't want to eat outside food at all because it's like कल भी मैंने रात को outside ही खाया था. So that's just not a good idea to constantly be eating outside food. तो आज मैं इस चाय पे rely कर रही हूँ for my energy. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this vlog. Alright guys, तो मैंने फाइनली खाना बना लिया है एंड प्लीज़ मेरे चेहरे की हालत छोड़ दो. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू समथिंग. तो मुझे आपको ये दिखाना था. ये है पहाड़ी रायता और ये तो मैंने लेज़ी वर्जन बनाया है विच आई लव ईटिंग. ऑनेस्टली अगर आपको कुछ ठंडा ठंडा खाने का मन है ना इस समर, प्लीज़ ट्राई दिस आउट. तो बेसिकली इसके लिए बस आपको क्यूकम्बर ग्रेट करना है. इसमें खूब सारा दही मिला दो, थोड़ा सा नमक मिला दो और चाहो तो आप तड़का भी डाल सकते हो. और पहाड़ी रायते में तो बहुत कुछ भी डलता है बट अगर आपको सिंप्लीफाइड वर्जन चाहिए तो आप इस तरीके से बना सकते हो. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइज यू आर नॉट गोना रिग्रेट इट एट ऑल. अब मैं खाना खाने जा रही हूँ. सो आई एम गोना सी यू गाइज टुमारो. Tuesday and जैसे कि आपने देखा I made myself some lunch and right now मैंने अभी खाया नहीं है lunch because I'm waiting for my husband to finish some tasks and then I'm gonna eat my lunch और शायद I'm not sure शायद आज मैं studio भी जाऊंगी because I wanted to go there for some time so hopefully that's what we're doing today. So कल मैंने आपको कहा था that I'm going to Zudio but मैं कल नहीं जा पाई because some other work came up so I got really busy in that. तो अभी हो रही है शाम and I was waiting for the sun to go down क्योंकि इतनी गर्मी हो रही है and I thought I'll go to west side instead because I thought west side would be a better choice. Basically थोड़ा better quality सामान मिलता है वहाँ पर. So let me take you guys along with me to west side. Alright guys, तो मैं आ गई हूँ घर और बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है. But I thought I'll show you what I got. The first thing I got is this cami set. तो ये मुझे चाहिए था काफ़ी समय से. And then I got this Farshi like fan. Farshi लाज क्या क्या बोलते हैं इसको फर्शी पैंट सलवार क्योंकि आजकल this is very trendy. Then I got this blue kurta to wear on top of the farshi salwar. This is actually very pretty. शायद मैं इसके साथ एक look सा बनाऊंगी. Let's see with like the churi that I bought. Then I got this little nail polish. मुझे लगा this is a very unique kind of peacock color which I don't have. तो मैंने सोचा ट्राई करके देखते हैं. जो मेन चीज़ के लिए मैं गई थी which was like a palazzo. Basically मेरे सारे प्लाजो खराब से हो गए हैं so I got this palazzo. This is very nice quality and it's quite thick so it's not see-through. That's what I like about West Side plazos. That's why I went to West Side and that's all I got. पहले तो मैं ये light off करती हूँ. This is definitely a lot better. Nowadays I'm not able to find good tops that fit my style anywhere. Find it like I go to H&M and I want a top but something's off about it. कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि वो सी थ्रू निकलता है, कभी कभार कुछ अजीब सा होता है उसके साथ. आई हैव नो आइडिया. आजकल टॉप्स का तो पता ही नहीं है. लेट मी नो आप लोग कहाँ से लेते हो बिकॉज आई डोंट नो where to find the kind of elegant tops that I'm looking for. And अभी हो चुका है काफ़ी ज़्यादा late so I'm gonna go and sleep right now and I'll see you guys in the next clip. day and I made myself a cup of Vietnamese iced coffee. क्योंकि I had to film yesterday also, पर कल ना शाम को इतनी गर्मी हो गई. It was so humid. If you're currently living anywhere near Delhi NCR, you might be aware of the current state of the humidity. I promise you guys that I'm gonna show you the chudi that I bought the other day. तो वो मैं दिखा के ही रहूंगी इस vlog में. Also, nail polish review. I think this is very beautiful. जो मैंने अभी Best Side से लिया था. Don't you guys think this is such a nice, vibrant color? Like, this actually kind of gives me ethnic vibes. It's such a beautiful color. So let me tell you guys the number of this. It's Crystal Blue BL01 in the Vivid Texture Play of Studio West nail paint collection of West Side. बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा हो गया. Now coming to the chudi. So basically I am not a chudi person. I've never bought a lot of chudi. बचपन में I used to be super like into chudi and stuff. Like I used to steal my grandmother's chudi and wear it and like wear sari and was just extremely desi, extremely like into all that stuff. But bade hote hote, I think I got very self-conscious and I stopped wearing chudi. So this is actually my first set of chudis that I've bought after marriage. क्योंकि marriage के बाद I wore my chuda, which I never thought I would, but I married a Punjabi, so that's great. Also, another thing is that मैं दुकान में enter होते ही इतना ज़्यादा overwhelm हो गई. I was so unaware of churis and what to buy. So I just was like, भैया जो Instagram में अभी famous चल रहा है वो वाला चूड़ी दिखा दो. And so he was like, Madam, ये वाले सारे famous हैं. So I got the basic chudi that are famous everywhere, multicolored ones, which I think are looking so pretty. वैसे तो मैं चूड़ी पहनती ही नहीं हूँ because as you can see, I don't even wear rings because I have such a problem with anything on my wrist or hands. Like I don't know what it is. चलो मैं एक हाथ में पहन के दिखा देती हूँ आपको थोड़ा सा. Oh wow, it looks so pretty. And I also think this nail polish really helps the whole chudi aesthetic. मैंने ये घुंघरू वाले ये भी ले लिए. इसमें golden color भी था, but I was like golden. Everyone's wearing golden, so I thought I'll get silver. Anyway, the color will come off. So this is a much better option. I'll also show you guys with the घुंघरू how it looks. With the घुंघरू chudi. Wow, that is so beautiful. And if you're wondering मैं इस हाथ में क्यों पहन के नहीं दिखा रही, because उस दिन ना मुझे यहाँ पर चोट लग गई थी, because I think I wore a broken चूड़ी और चूड़ी broke, इसीलिए मुझे चोट लग गई, इसीलिए इस हाथ में मैं अभी नहीं पहनूंगी थोड़े दिन. But look, so pretty. Then I got these green ones because I was super attracted to this green color. Is it just me or this looks so pretty? Let me show you. I also have this green suit. इसका इस टूट गया. How do people even wear chudi without breaking it? Look, so my thought was that I'll wear this on one hand and then wait, I'll wear this on this wrist and then I'll wear मेरा smartwatch इस side and that's how I'll wear this. इसीलिए मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं लिए. And the last one that I have is this pink one. Oh my god, I think this one is my second favorite. Look, so pretty. So let me show you guys. ये वाला इतना प्यारा baby pink color था. As soon as I saw it, I was like, at least I'll get this one. I was sure about it. I just want to make sure कि मैं इसको तोड़ ना दूँ guys, because I already broke like a few while trying. So there you go. Oh my god. Again, so pretty. Even in this pink one, I got like थोड़े से. बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू सी अगेन कि मैं पहनूंगी भी या नहीं, ऐसे लेके रखने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. आई एक्चुअली डोंट वांट टू रिमूव दिस. अभी इतना अच्छा लग रहा है विद दिस लाइक नेल पॉलिश एंड like if I had some jhumkas and like a bindi and like this chudi, complete like desi vibes. And I think I will end this video right here क्योंकि काफी लंबा vlog हो गया है. I will edit this and upload soon, hopefully. Comment down below anything, even if it's like a little heart or like a little flower, something to let me know that you enjoy these videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.